Alright team, this isn't practice anymore. This is game time! Let's go!
Hi, I'm Chris London.
And I'm Rachel Pizzolato.
And this is Snap Sports Network,
where no sport is out of bounds.
We begin with an exclusive look at the sport we've all been sleeping on, professional pillow fighting.
Tony Talks is standing by with professional pillow fighters, B Money and the Champ. Over to you, Tony.
Thank you, guys. We are here with 17-year-old pillow fighting prodigy, B Money, and his mentor, Champ. B Money, how did you get into pillow fighting?
So I was actually at a River Dogs game, got the crowd hype, I started dancing in the ring. People started challenging me, and I ended up fighting 10 fights, won all 10-0.
And then, Champ, you came into the picture. How did you get the name Champ?
Just my fighting career, my amateur career, been fighting all my life. And now I'm a two-time PFC champion, actually the first champion.
Okay,
Yeah.
Say no more, say no more. All right, well, listen, I am excited to see y'all perform and see y'all fight. Are we finna get into it?
What not?
Let's get into it.
All right, let's go. Let's stay tuned. Who would have known that pillow fighting could pack such a punch? Back to you guys in the studio.
Next up, it's the Flex, where I take you through the sportiest snaps on Snapchat.
Snap Sports Network.
You have any flexes, Rachel?
I have one of me doing a cartwheel. How about you, Chris?
I got something, but I'll share mine next time. Last but not least, we bring you Curveball of the Week, where athletes compete in their respective sport, but with a slight twist.
That's right, Chris. This week's twist? Pool noodles, where we challenge 6 swimmers to a 25-meter race dressed head to toe in pool floaty fashion.
Rachel Demita is on the scene to report on the action. Take it away, Rachel.
Thanks, Chris and Rachel. I'm here live at the Aquatic Center. The swimmers are on their blocks, and here's the horn. And they're off. It was a belly flop from most of them, and it looks like their floaties are keeping them afloat, maybe slowing them down a little bit, but not too much. It is a tight race to the finish, and we have a winner. Congrats on winning the 25-meter float. Here's your trophy.
You earned it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What a photo finish. They all look so good. I want a noodle skirt.
I'm sure we can make that happen next week.
Well, that's all the snaps for now. We hope to see you next week because we're going to Finland to hear it straight from the hobby horse's mouth.
Thanks, champs. See you next time, and catch you on the rebound.
Yo, that's the first episode, that's what I'm talking about! Okay, I don't know how you're gonna top it, but you will!